Slot trenching and hydro excavation can be used where heavy machinery is not permitted. If a line needs to be exposed or located for repairs, workers excavate to make room for their workspace. There is a method called exploratory slot trenching, which is the process of clearing an area to confirm the location of existing utilities. This makes it easier to find unlocatable lines like plastic or non-conductive material. The major benefit of slot trenching with a vacuum is that it is safer. It is less labor intensive and doesn't involve massive machinery, so it becomes a safer environment for workers. Slot trenching is precise as well as cost-effective due to the quickness of the job and the small amount of machinery used. The hydro excavation and vacuum way of slot trenching is considered to be more environmentally friendly as it removes the least amount of dirt possible. The result is a clean, precise hole that is done efficiently and does not damage the area around it.